Hi guys, it's a Stitch Fix day today. Thank you for joining me. My name is Kim. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And so here's my masks. They had some cute flower print ones, but I was thinking of my whole family when I ordered these. So I want to make sure they fit my son and my husband. So flowers would not work for them. This one's a little bit like shiny. So those are the masks, and they came in a Ziploc bag, and there is no returns on these. So once you order them and get them, you can't send them back. When you order Stitch Fix, you can return anything for free. They have free shipping both ways. There is a $20 styling fee on most boxes unless you've been with them for a while. Then you can get a $49 once a year. And you pay that, and then you get that money back. It goes towards anything that you purchase. Same with the $20 fee. That one is you order a box, you pay for the $20. That $20 is put towards anything that you purchase, except for if you don't purchase anything, you still gotta pay the 20 bucks. Alright, so in my Stitch Fix box, and they give you this styling card and a note from your stylist. I will have a picture of the styling note so you can read it later. Okay, so this is from Kylie. It's kind of like, it's got like a different material. It's not like cotton. It's kind of scratchier material. Okay, so it's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. And it is machine wash cold on gentle cycle. So that is this one. And the masks I order as an extra item. So the masks were $35 for, what was it? For 5 masks. So $35 for 5 masks, which I thought that wasn't too bad. They did have another option for 3 masks for, I think it was $28 or something, but those aren't available either, so they sold out on masks. I also got this shirt. So it's material like cotton on the back and then like a blouse material on the front side. Super cute. I love this one. I will be keeping this item. And this is from Papermoon, and it's the Reese Mixed Material Top. I also got a cardigan. This one is by By Hawthorn. It's the Halls Brush Knit 2-Pocket Cardigan in olive color. It's super soft. I believe this one was machine wash cold water on gentle cycle. That is lining. Little like print striped on the inner side. It's kind of on the long side. Anyway, then I got this. I think lemons are in. I'm not too sure about this one. It's not like super my style. I don't usually wear the color yellow. So that is this one. It has a little tie in the front. It's by Britain. I will have a picture of it so you guys can see it at the end of the video. So make sure I'm saying it right. So yeah, it's super pretty. Like the blouse, like I like the blouse, like I love the sleeves. I'm just not a lemon person. Maybe if there was less lemons, I don't know. I also got a pair of jeans. I'm still like not sure about these ones either. Okay, these are by Studio Blue. They are Alley High Rise Straight Crop Jean in the blue. So here's the back side. And then they have distressing on it, like pretty much a little here and there. And they're cropped, or supposed to be cropped, but not really on me. So that is these. Those are my items, and I will try them on for you guys. So first of all, I'll try the masks on. So here's the gray one. It's loose for me. My husband, it fit him better. The gray one. It's not tight on my ears at all. Super soft. Each one is a little bit different. Okay, this one's like the gray one. It's not pulling on my ears at all or anything. This one, the black one, was a little snug. Yeah, you can tell it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pulling on my ears a little bit more. I mean, it's not painful at all or anything like that. So it's a smaller fit, I would say, for the black one. Alright, so here is the cardigan. Got pockets, can't see. Here's the pockets, and my pup. Here's the shirt, is it like that? This is the one I'm definitely keeping. Here's the jeans. I'm still uncertain about the jeans. They're not terrible. I've been looking for a lighter color like this because another one of the Stitch Fix jeans that I got have worn out. So I've been looking for another lighter pair because it's just nice to have a lighter pair of jeans. Not just all one color. Okay, so there they are. Alright, here's another blouse. Alright, here is the last blouse, the lemon shirt. It is really cute, and this box, she did a really, really good job. I would consider doing all 5 items. You can calm this down with, if it's too much lemon. My son said, oh, let's sell lemonade and then you can wear your shirt with lemons on it. So yeah, I was like, yeah, that'd be a great idea. So here it is with the cardigan. So yeah, that is all 5 of my items. Alright, so the pricing, here we go. So this is my 10th Stitch Fix. So first off, the Kylie Phalange short sleeve scoop neck, probably knit top. This is in black and it's $38. And the olive cardigan is $44. Okay, so this one in navy is $40, the lemon shirt, and the pair of jeans, high-rise crop jeans in blue is $58. Even a pair of jeans for Stitch Fix is usually $88 or sometimes even higher, so not that bad for $58. Okay, and my last materials, Papermoon, is $38, and I will be keeping this one for sure. I'm just not sure about the rest of them. So, yep, comment down below if you should keep them all or return some. So total came to $218, and then if I buy all items, I get 25% off. So that would be $54.50 off. And then, oh, the mask on top of that, $35. Then my subtotal comes to $198.50. Shipping is free. And then my total cost would be $198.50 if I was to buy everything. I'm not sure. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you guys.